Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 27th of September. I've taken a buy. I want to set my take profits there. I'm just taking a random buy because I'm trying to grow my account from 54k to 60k because I want to make a quick withdrawal. I want to make another 10,000 withdrawal. If you recall, we started this account with, let me just show my profits. We started this account with $250, all right? And like I said before, we've made a withdrawal of over $10,350, okay? And look at all the profits we've made so far during all this period of like 5 to 6 months. And yeah, we've made a profit of $64,000. And I'm trying to get it to $70,000. After I get it to $70,000, then I'll make another withdrawal. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You'll join me live. We'll take live trades. I'll share my screen on Zoom, or you can meet me in person and we'll trade live. You will learn with live trades how not to lose your account, how to do proper hedging, not martingale system. Martingale system will end up blowing your account. You do proper hedging just like hedge funds. The hedge funds we know, they all use hedging as a system to escape their trades, because you can never control the market. The market can always do whatever it wants, whenever it wants, so you should always be prepared. Using a stop loss, you would never see a hedge fund say, oh, they used the stop loss and lost $1 million. They used the stop loss and lost 500k. You know, they'll be doing that, because you will get, sometimes be wrong in the market. That's a fact. That's a fact. So you have to be prepared for that. If you don't think that's going to happen, you are delusional, and that's why you keep losing your account. But when you trade live, when you use your account to make money every month, you use it to live consistently, you start thinking with your common sense. So how to do proper hedging, how to do scalping on the lower time frame, how to swing your accounts, we'll do all those. I always recommend the minimum 1 week course. And if you want to connect to my account so that you see that the system works, you make some profits, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least a link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. Also, if you want to test the software for 1 week, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have $150 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, and we're moving closer and closer into profits, closer and closer. It's scraped the profits before, but now it's getting closer and closer. Should I take profit now, guys? Should I take profit now? We're up over 5,500. Take profit. There you go. Take profit hit. There you go. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. All right. So yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, I just want to make it. All right. Let's check the. There you go, 5,500, almost 5,600, but $5,500 profit so far. Remember, if you are using moving averages to trade, if you are using support and resistance to trade, if you are using basically what everyone is using out there, you are using what 95% are using, but only 5% of the people win this market. Now think about it. If you are using 95% of what people are using and 95% lose, does that not mean you are part of the losing 95%? Does that not mean that those systems are what make people actually lose? Anyways, remember to join the course, hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course, join the free Telegram group, link in the description also. And we'll be right back when we're into another trade in the market. Like, share, and subscribe, and click those notification bells on.